Hi chat! Welcome to another stream. I've got the Swift shirt on today, I guess. It's not actually a Swift shirt, it's a, where is it? 21 Pilots shirt. There we go. Marsha's here! Hello, hello. I forgot to open up my Streamlabs. Let me do that real quick. So how y'all doing today? It is the bird shirt. Today is Friday, finally. It is April 23rd of 2021, and we are back for yet another stream. Today we're going to be working on open source. I have fallen very, very far behind on open source. My inbox is at 11 right now, and it's driving me up the fucking wall, so we're going to try and burn that down today, ideally. So, that is the plan. Let me say hi to everyone who is here today. Ethan Diving was first. Hello, hello. Good to see you. And we got Marsha and the Endless River. How's it going? How's it going? Solus is here. D-Delsp. Walker Codes. Doo-da-dee-doo. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. And why have you all switched to black on black or purple on purple? Why? Why you do this? I refuse to use readable colors. I feel like readable colors is I don't know. I just don't like to use it. But anyway. Hey, what's up, Nirm? How do I say your name, Nirm? Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Rating, yeah, so the way I've set up my overlays is the raid and the host are actually, I don't know if Streamlabs has a difference between raid and host, but I think I've set my raid and host to be the same thing, or there's not a difference. It's been so long since I set those up. Those were back when I did my very, very first sponsored stream, like literally a year ago. So I haven't changed that in a while. Should probably change that at some point. But anyway. Yes, black and black is invisible. Details. On first glance, I thought that it was a Swift shirt. I need to get outside. Yeah, I mean, it does look exactly like the Swift logo. But it is not. How do you drive up a wall? Very carefully. Mofafana says hi. Hello, hello. How you doing? Question, brother. How do you motivate your team to push PRs through? You mean like get them to review your code, or get them to deploy their shit, or like which part are you having trouble with the motivation part? We're just playing with you. Yeah, it's true. It's true. It's true. Nirm says you say it the most comfortable way to you. All right. Well, I'm gonna go with Nirm. 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 Both. So, every place that I've worked, I have always struggled with the, you know, review my fucking code sort of situation, where teammates don't prioritize. I mean, they don't. There's nothing that incentivizes an employee to prioritize code review over doing work, unfortunately. And so what you gotta get into the culture of, and the cycle of, is, you know, making code review an essential part of your workflow at your work. Like, require code review to get things done, and get management to prioritize code review as a necessary part of your development lifecycle. What this means to me is that they need to, you know, make it. I don't want to say like punish for not doing prompt reviews, but that's kind of the only way that you're going to get people to do work. And I have not seen a successful place that does this. Stripe kind of has a thing in place that's like super annoying if you don't review things quickly. But again, there's no consequences unless your manager decides there's consequences. But what I have found is the most productive way to get around this problem is to make a friend and have a pact. Be like, I will prioritize reviewing your code if you prioritize reviewing my code. And then you can get a bunch of shit done that way. My favorite review pact was with my friend Chris at Yelp. Also, Elliot at Yelp. Chris and Elliot were very, very good. You need 2 required approvals? Well, fuck that. That's absurd. Double approval is so dumb. There's like 0 studies that show that double approval improves the quality of software delivered. Oh man, I've had that argument before. I don't want to go down that route, but double approval is stupid. Mofafana, hello, welcome. You're new here, well, welcome. Yeah, double approvals are stupid. Review priority happens from the top down, and typically the top is too busy for reviews. Yeah, there you go. There you go. I'm gonna let them know because holy shit. It's gonna be hard to change that though. I know it was a big fight at Lyft to get rid of double approval. But there's a couple, like if you search around, there's a couple of like university studies about this that that talk about like the efficacy of double approval. Depends on who reviews, not how many of them. Yes, exactly. Like you want to get people that actually know how to code the review stuff. Like if you're just rubber stamping garbage, then of course like having additional reviews from a more senior person is going to be helpful. But like two garbage rubber stamps doesn't make it more safe to deploy. Hey, what's up, the guy on fire? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Monarch says, we require 2-2, but I can be one of the 2, so essentially 1. Oh, you can self-approve code. Okay, that makes sense. Double approval makes sense if you have junior devs approving blindly, unless you have 2 junior devs approving blindly. We have our own independent teams, so I wouldn't be able to do it for the whole company, but I could probably easily change the practice. Cool. Noodle looking extra long today. Yeah, Noodle is way up top. And we've got Ty kind of hiding in the back there. I didn't realize Ty was going to be covered up by Bub, but I guess that's the way things go. While we're talking about PRs, I'm curious why you dislike Jenkins. Oh. Because I've had to administer Jenkins, and I've had to try and push Jenkins towards the absolute limits that it can do. I've also had to configure Jenkins. Now, granted, I hear Jenkins files are a little bit better, and it's been a long time since I've really worked with Jenkins. But Jenkins has a fatal flaw in its core design pattern. Hey, large data bank! Thank you for the raid. How you doing? I'm just raging about Jenkins right now. So Jenkins has a distinct flaw in the way that its distributed system is designed, in that it does not allow failure in any part of it. So if a node goes offline during a job, Jenkins is just like, I guess I'll die now. And there's like no like retry or any of the like normal things you would expect in a distributed system. It's just like, well, I lost this information, I guess I'll give up now. And anyone who has administered Jenkins will basically tell you like literally anything else would be better. But I mean, if you're not administering Jenkins, then I guess it doesn't matter. Also, if your job throughput is so low, it probably also doesn't matter. Like if you're running like less than 100 jobs a day, it doesn't fucking matter what CI system you're using. You could literally use SSH and, you know, run a shell script over SSH. That would be good enough for a PR workload of like 100 a day. But if you're dealing with, you know, oh god, Groovy, don't get me started on Groovy. Oh, oh man. There was like a 2-month period at Lyft where I was trying to make so there's a box assignment flow, and the deployment team or whatever team that would have given us permission to do this, so it was like, no, we're not going to let you run a web UI to assign EC2 instances. And so they're like, we'll compromise and let you use Jenkins. And I was like, but this was all decided before I got there. But the Jenkins flow was super fucking racy because Jenkins doesn't really have locking primitives. But it does, except it doesn't. So there is one locking primitive in Jenkins, and that is exclusive job execution. What you can do is you can say that only one node can run one type of this job at one time. So what we did was, or what I did, is rewrote the assignment script, which would sometimes give people 2 boxes, sometimes give them 0 boxes. Sometimes they would assign a box and then no one would actually receive the assigned box. Sometimes the box would just go into the void. Sometimes they would just sit around forever and never get reaped. Like, there were all sorts of problems with the original pipeline. But anyway, I rewrote all of this in a terrible chunk of Groovy because that was all we were really allowed to work with. And the way it worked is it was a pipeline, and the steps that needed locking were those exclusive execution jobs. So it would do like a bunch of parallel jobs, then exclusive execution job, and then a bunch of parallel jobs. So it took assignment time, well, the unreliable assignment time from like 20 minutes down to like 2 minutes, and got rid of most of the garbage going there. But yeah, it was not fun. I would not recommend Groovy. Groovy is like a Java scripting language. Java, scripting language. Sora C10, Heratalk, Zetsubo, thank you all for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. And Row Your Boat! Row Your Boat! Thank you also for the follow. Welcome, welcome. What were you working on today, Large Data Bank? You're always working on the same thing, though, so... What were you working on today? Why don't my company do some sort of build on PR to make me more comfortable with reviews, since currently reviews have no build? What? You don't have builds on your pull requests? Oh. Well, that's scary. Jenkins Files has made it better in addition to Groovy-based Jenkins libraries. Writing Groovy is not fun. There's no debugger. And when you get a syntax error, it's just like, there's a syntax error somewhere. Good luck. Maybe it's on line 1. Maybe not. Have fun. Oh god. So what I used to do to find syntax errors. This is actually a great technique for any language that has garbage syntax errors. What you do is you take your thing that's failing to run, or failing to compile, or failing to syntax check, or whatever, and you comment out half the file, and you bisect. You basically binary search the source until it succeeds. And I did this more times than I cared to admit. Also, like, we didn't have like a way to run these Groovy scripts offline, so it was literally just like checking them in an XML file in a repository, then pushing that XML repository, and then waiting for the UI to pick it up. I do not miss that. I do not miss that. But yeah. Also, you can't like step through it. There's no debugger. You can do print statements, but sometimes print doesn't work. It just like eats the print output and like doesn't tell you why it failed or like what that was. So I don't know. It was one of the most like frustrating development and debugging situations that I've been in a very, very long time. But anyway, Jenkins, Groovy, Sadness, XML. I introduced you all to Team City, which has been, well, it's got its up and downs. Have you tried Team City? I have not. Well, I tried the very, very, very early version of Team City, like almost a decade ago, maybe more than a decade ago. No, a decade ago. It was not great then, but again, I can't really judge a piece of software based on its 10 years ago performance. Jenkins admin is fine if you super limit who can mess with things and go through an approval process. And if your things are dead simple. If they're dead simple, I mean, it's not a problem. But then again, if your things are dead simple, like, you can literally use anything. I had used Jenkins for 4 months, and I hate it. I feel like any distributed systems 101 class would tell you that fault tolerance is paramount. Jenkins, why? Exactly. Benja Jovial! Hello, hello. Even calling Jenkins a distributed system seems a stretch. I mean, sure, it runs across multiple hosts, but that's pretty much it. So, yes, it is a distributed system, but it fails like every single checkbox on proper distributed system design. So, Murphy, hello, hello. How's it going? Wait, I talked to you on Slack today. Uh-oh, what's beeping in my house? I'm gonna go check on whatever's beeping. I'll be right back. We're back. It was my dishwasher. The dishwasher. Groovy within the use of Jenkins files makes sense. It also makes Jenkins files so much more useful, but it's still crappy. Yeah. Sorry, says I love the follow message. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. If you want to improve it, it's actually on GitHub. Let's see. In the rights code / overlays. Yeah, I've been meaning to animate. I want to animate the dots and then the message showing up. And maybe even like the typing of this. But again, like I wrote this very briefly at late at night in we not have the date, the time? This is like noon. I remember writing it at night, like right before a stream. But anyway, I exist, therefore I think. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Removing from VMs to Kubernetes for everything, mostly, so I'm looking for a good CI system for it. Yeah, I mean, any CI system is really going to work. I think at OCF scale, like, Jenkins is probably fine. Let's talk about how IT slowly takes away our sanity. Wait, you have any sanity left? I think I've lost all of mine. We don't have pull requests. We use a different tool for reviews when we manually merge. Oh, I see. When will Anthony start dropping the Jenkins diss track, right? I love how you explained my groovy debugging to a T. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I didn't know you liked Swift. It's a 21 Pilots shirt, but yeah, it looks like the Swift logo. I may or may not have used the error of a JSON parser to cut down the input until it was valid at some point. Used that before too. Recursive chat, hello. Peaky Dicers, how's it going? I hop on a Switch, hoping you'd be streaming. Well, I am. Welcome. It's good to see you. Broken Mirrors, how's it going? We'd be running the workers in Kubernetes, so we get fault tolerance for free, right? Oh, the new Jenkins X garbage? I mean, it's maybe not garbage. I have yet to know whether I've yet to determine whether it's actually good or not. But it's supposed to be like Jenkins distributed on Kubernetes, and you just, you take a big problem and you add a bigger problem to it, and suddenly the expectation is you don't have big problems anymore. But we'll see what that is. I kid. Kubernetes can solve a lot of problems. I don't know that it particularly helps the Jenkins problem, although it probably does distributed systems better than Jenkins does. Our site has so many modals. Why so many modals? So, yeah, depending on your designer and product manager, sometimes people are like, modals everything! We had this a lot at Yelp. I don't have two of the same. I have 3 of the same emails open. Why do I have that? Melkor, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. But yeah, we had a product manager at Yelp that really liked modals. And so like for a while, any interaction that you did on Yelp would open a modal. And the devs, well, I don't want to speak for the rest of the devs. I hated this because the modal code at Yelp was really janky. It was like really hard to get working properly. And you had to write like 10 different classes just to make it happen. But yeah, I feel that. Sometimes you have designers and and product managers that are like, modals all the things. What is a modal? Pop-up window, but it stays within the browser. It was like an HTML only pop-up. They were super popular in like 2014. Everything was modals. Why use a toast notification? Use a modal. Yeah. I exist, therefore, I think, says, do you think using typing with Python will become a norm anytime soon? It's already a norm for me. So, yes. I think if you're not using typing in Python at this point, like, I don't want to read your code. I don't want to integrate with your library. Pretty much. I even type like throwaway scripts. It's just become like something that I just do now. Pixma says, I was trying to install AWX. I don't know what that is. Today in Minikube, I know what that is. As described in the tutorial, it runs, but only internally reachable. Can I get the ingress thing working? Oh god. Oh no. I'm having nightmare flashbacks about ingress problems for pods and Kubernetes clusters. No. Take the envoy away, please. Please. I don't need any more sadness today. I don't want to talk about it. Okay, anyway. It's gonna run Jenkins via Helm and a plugin. What could go wrong? Developers' opinions don't matter, customers do. Yeah, well, I mean, customers don't get to be like, hey, product manager, why do you have this buggy ass JavaScript modal flow? They just like deal with it. I remember, oh man, we had community managers at Yelp. Basically, what they did is they organized like parties and shit and convinced people to be like, they like convinced people to become more active Yelp users, essentially. They organized like the elite program and all that other stuff. But anyway, community managers had this like very specific. Why does your clap sound weird? I'm actually doing this very quickly so that it makes a cool noise. That's why it sounds weird. But anyway, but anyway, community managers, they have like a very super power usery way of using Yelp. So anytime we changed literally anything on the site, we would get like 10 or 20 emails from CMs that are like, why did you break this? I use this every day. This is such an important workflow. Even when we fixed bugs. Like, the community managers knew the website so well that they knew, like, what shit was broken, and they knew, like, just the right workarounds to get it kind of working for them. So we would, like, anytime we fixed, like, a bug in a flow, we would still get these emails that are like, you broke my workflow! And it's like, no, we just made it so you don't have to use the shitty thing now. You can just click the button that works. Oh, okay. I'm glad you fixed it. Cool. Sorry for the flashbacks. No, it's fine. No Glow says, thanks for not roasting my Python code yesterday. Wait, did I look at your Python code? I don't even remember. Whoosh. Everything flies by. We don't have a product manager. We let PO plus UX. PO. What is PO? I like our design outside the modals. Nice. Hey, what's up, Brask? Hello. How's your shiny mining? I'm done. I got the last one that I needed. I got my shiny authentic Sinistea, the 1 in 130,000 shiny Pokemon. It's done. Am I the only one trying to clap like that right now? Yeah, XKCD workflow comic. Yeah, it's true. Product owner. I might be a product manager. I don't know. I don't know what the difference is. We're slow by seconds. Oh no, you're good. You're good. You're good. I exist. Yes, you looked at my code yesterday. I see. Too slow, that hiccup. Yeah. Okay, anyway. So let's start with the first thing that I want to do today, because I haven't actually gotten to anything yet. Which is that the nightly builds of Python 3.10 is broken. Actually, the third time that's been broken. You know it's getting close to beta freeze when this breaks every single night. I think it's been like 3 or 4 days since a successful build. Oh no, we had a few in there. You can see every one of these red ones is a new master breakage of Python 3.10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 in 2 weeks. 5 in 9 days. That's more than 50% of the days have been broken. So it's been a little bit frustrating, but we're gonna do the next fix, I guess. Workspace, deadsnakes. Oh, we don't even have to delete anything. Deadsnakes, Python 3.10 nightly. The other thing is, if I don't fix this today, I fixed it yesterday. If I don't fix it today, it'll error again tomorrow. So this is one of those like things where, because it nags me so often, we're going to fix it with a higher priority. Third metal? Oh, you haven't seen the spacebar XKCD? Yeah, it's a classic. It's a good one. I guess it's not really classic because it's still a 4-digit XKCD, but it's a highly referenced one. Product owners are more feature-level product managers who do product analyst jobs, helpful for vast products with super broad reaching feature sets. I see. Have they rolled back stabilizing PEP 563? Yes, they did. They did. You're a Python core dev? No. I'm not a core dev, but I maintain Python builds for Ubuntu, for backports and forward ports for Ubuntu. I should talk to the actual maintainers because I feel like they would give me commitment. And then I could actually say I'm a Debian maintainer, even though I'm not. Okay, so let's look at what failed here. My guess is the update failed. No, the update succeeded. Oh, right, because I fixed update. It used to crash every time they touched GitHub Actions, which is fun in itself. Oh, this is the revert of annotations. Oh, this file. Oh god, I hate conflicts in this file. Set up modules. Oh, this should be a trivial conflict. But it's still annoying that it conflicted. This is the third time in of those 5 failures, 3 of them have been in this file. Alright, so what command do I need to run to fix this? Runbooks and nightly update branch. This is the one that was failing. We need to... I think I just need to run this script. Repo.branch Ubuntu focal. And then we watch it fail, I guess. Yeah, there we go. Module setup. What is our conflict here? So I'm pretty sure this line... Oh, these are always really annoying. This is the one... This is the hard part of doing this maintenance. I don't know which side is which and which one I need to take. Let me look at the Debian patch. Yeah, failing. Yeah. Look at the Debian patch. And why are there 5 branches? Oh, because Xenial. But Xenial's dead. Focal. Debian. Could you imagine if it was pronounced Debian? I might just start saying Debian because I think it's funny. Set up modules. Okay, so we want this side from the Debian side, and we want the pickle side from the other side. So we want to not take this, but we want to take this. Okay, that wasn't so bad. Get a rebase, continue. GBP PQ export. And then I hope that's correct, and we'll see tomorrow, I guess. And then I gotta do that again. Pickle accelerator, yes, yeah. I'm gonna sleep, almost 2 AM here. Have a good stream. Well, thank you for stopping by, Rask. It's good to see you. Tubeworm! Hello. Good to see you. Debian. Why are you pronouncing it Debian? It's clearly pronounced Debian. I know, right, Corbob? Exactly. Cursive Chat says, does subprocess check call taking the same args quargs as popen? It does and it doesn't. There are some slight differences to check call and popen. I don't remember what. Well, I can check. Or is it check output that's different? PyDoc subprocess. I mean, at the very least, check call. Oh. The only difference is timeout. And this is new. Yeah, because it just proxies directly to call, and call proxies directly to popen, except for the timeout parameter, which is a named only parameter due to the way that this is set up. This is actually named only in Python 2 also. Okay, but check output is different. Yeah, because check output has this input parameter, which is actually still forwarded along. Oh, it's forwarded along to run, and run has different arguments than popen. Blah. Anyway, yeah, it's basically the same, but slightly different. Oh no. How do you actually say Debian? It's pronounced. Never mind. This one makes more sense when you type it out in chat. I love when people ask over text, how do you pronounce X? And then you just respond, it's pronounced X. Like, for some reason. I find that extremely funny. It's probably not funny, but I find it extremely funny. Okay, so we want this pickle, not that pickle, and this. And then continue, and then end, and then commit, and then... Oh, right, we have to do export first. Oops. Export. Okay, so that should, in theory, finish off the maintenance work that I need for deadsnakes. There's actually a lot more stuff that I need to do for that. But... yeah. Okay. Alright, deadsnakes. Done. There's actually, there's like a 3 or 4 hour thing that I need to do for deadsnakes, but I'm not going to do that today because it's so boring. Also, I'm going to wait until Xenial goes away, because then instead of it being 3 or 4 hours, it ends up being 2 hours. Little nicer. Basically, wait a little bit, and then I don't have to do a bunch of work. Because of end of lives. Do we have amateurs? Give me flashbacks to very bad German pronunciations of Debian. Ubram says, please tell me this is hideous. Why would they do this? Why would they do this? This looks okay. Other than the weird skull, it looks fine without the weird skull. The skull looks dumb though. What is this? Oh, it's a nuke. Oh, this is just the kit. Is this just the case? Where's the price? Where's the price? Why does it not say the price? What? Oh, new from 1300. Oh, I guess it does include the things in it. I've actually been meaning to buy one of these. Just to set up. Does it have... what is its graphics? Is it really just integrated graphics? How do these things work? Hard drive rotational speed, 1 RPM. Could you imagine an SSD that just sits there and slowly spins? Oh my god, that would be hilarious. And just imagining, like, maybe it spins this way. And you got the port in and it just goes. But yeah, it does look. The skull looks dumb. Beyond that, it's probably fine. No booty! How's it going? Momdi? Hello, hello. Good to see you as well. The one's for the skull, yeah. Skull amazes me on this pretty nifty box. Yeah, the skull looks dumb. What about the German pronunciation of squirrel? Oh no. Mamdi says, have you published Frequency CI to GitHub? I have indeed. We actually did that yesterday. Or at least announced it, because it was technically up there before. But you can see that it is now in the marketplace. And you can now pay the monies to use private repositories, which is cool. And I have my first customer that's not me, which is exciting. Is this how Intel CEO Boomer imagines gaming? Yeah. I find that extremely funny, narrator. This is why he had no friends. Yeah, it's true. It's true. It's true. Yeah, the pronunciation of the English word Sora. For whatever reason, it seems that it's very difficult for Germans to pronounce the word squirrel. If you go to YouTube and search Germans saying squirrel, it's pretty good. Pretty good. What is the link from? Yeah, I trust Ethan. Ethan's not gonna wreck me. It's beautiful. It's for fire. Okay. He's saying Debian more. Yeah, why not? I thought nicks are just supposed to be small for like worky type stuff. It says gamer on the side of it. That was why I was expecting it had a GPU, but it doesn't. But anyway. 1 PM. TikTok goes the cock, says 2worm. You can see it at bit.ly/frequency. Congrats, that's huge. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. I'm pretty excited about this being a reality. That people are also excited about and willing to pay money for. So it's pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about it. Yeah. I was technically the first customer because I wanted to make sure it still worked. So Precommit CI is paying for Precommit CI, which is weird and meta, but yeah, it works. Bum, bum, bum. Pixma says, I'm German and I can pronounce it. Nice, nice. Jollyfreak says, also blueberry. Huh. You always say Ubuntu wrong too. Such a meanie. I mean, I probably do. You're probably not wrong. GPUs in this economy? Yeah. It's true, it's true. I personally find Americans pronouncing German even funnier. Oh yeah, for sure. That shit's gotta be hilarious. Murphy says, getting late here too. Have a good rest of your stream. Well, thank you for stopping by. It's good to see you. Hopefully you have a wonderful weekend. Okay. Wait, where did the hashlib part of this go? Oh, it's down here. It's like, oh, great. What did I fuck up this time? Okay. Anyway, that looks good. Let's on to the next one, which is a pre-commit pull request. I've gone back and forth on this a few times now. So licensing. Put the type of the license in the description file as a field. And there's a separate file called license, which has the actual, yeah. Only has the latter, so I guess we should ship that MIT. Wait, what? This is their license? That's not a license. What is their... what? Where's their actual license? What? Do I have to look at one of their source files? Is it like embedded at the top? No. License. Given the contents of that file, I'm not sure they've licensed it for redistribution. We'd probably want to clarify with them what terms that it is to be copied and redistributed. Don't see an actual license file in there. Go beyond that two-liner, which probably has no legal precedence. I think it would be wrong to take that and put it and stuff it into a MIT license. I think that would be relicensing without approval. We should probably start an issue thread on their side, unless there's an actual copyable license file. Okay. MDev, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I would ask Anthrax Code to pronounce the word Streichholzschlachtiken, and it would not be better than some Germans pronouncing squirrel. Yeah, it's probably true. It's probably true. Why even squirrel is the word who made this? It's a license, okay? See, it says license on it. Yeah. It's a bonfire. I declare license. Yeah. Is it not in the license file? No, Korbov. This is literally what's in. This is their license file. Oh, they do have the word MIT here. But they don't actually have an MIT license file. They're failing the first part of MIT. That's so weird. So weird. This wasn't a license. Anyway. Easy Light, how's it going? There was an open issue for a license file. Oh, was there? I wasn't paying attention. Open. Do you mean this one? I don't think this is related. It was a little bit different. Anyway. Okay, that one's done. Done enough for now. Thrown back over the fence. Lup, thank you for the resub with Prime. Well, indeed. Thank you for the resub. Thank you for your continued support. 6 months. That's half a year. That gets you a fancy new badge. It's good to see you again as well. Klug is basically smart. I wasn't looking when you open it. Yeah, that's a garbage license file. Yeah, it doesn't say otherwise. License is basically the GitHub agreement, which is that they keep copyright and can't redistribute without their permission. Yeah, that is what I usually default to. Yes. Erschlauen Bruckstelle Verversaker. That's German word. You also can't copy the code, which is why when I look at projects, I look at the license for anything else. If it's GPL, then I yeet it off a cliff and go elsewhere. Same, Corbob. Same. Same. Our license is curl google.com, Q equals MIT license, piped ahead. Yeah, exactly. Yes, and I'm out of water. Also, I did notice this typo already as well. And they have an unverified GPG commit signature. This name looks familiar. What do you do? Hmm. 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 Uh-huh. Anyway, the idea of this patch looks fine. I might have to change some titles there. But let's look at the implementation. Check illegal Windows names. And it should find all files. Yeah, so no filter. Fine. For illegal Windows names, check for files that cannot be created on Windows. That's illegal. Check files. Yep. Cool. It should just filter all files. I don't think we need added files. Added files. I think it should just filter all files instead of using added files here. That actually makes the code simpler. This is copied from somewhere else, I'm pretty sure. Does this work on Windows? While file. Dirname. What happens on Windows when you dirname C? It should never happen in this case. Import os.path, os.path.dirname C. I gotta raw string it. Oh, right, there's no read line. Foo. Yeah. Their name of the root directory on Windows does not get shorter. Actually, I think it doesn't get shorter on POSIX also. Yeah. But we're dealing with relative paths, so this is fine. Password file. Yeah. This is interesting. Did it really COM1 through COM10? Through COM9? There's no COM0? Interesting. There's no COM0. Well, I guess that's fine. While dot in root. This you could just write as partition. Oh, the music stopped? It did. Oh my god, there's been... driving me fucking insane. There's this, like... I don't know how to describe it, but it's like a motor that has a band on it. The band goes around and around in a circle. And they're doing some work with it, like, right next door. Like, right outside my window. And the belt has a squeak in it. So it's just all day squeak, 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 squeak. And it just keeps going. Driving me fucking insane. It's like right there. Right there. Oh boy. Oh my god, I'm so far behind in chat. Pixman says, good night. Well, thanks for stopping by. I thought the name was familiar too. I have no idea why. Interesting. Interesting. It's Eric, Fred, and Rich. Yeah. At least you spelled it right in the PR code? Yeah. Is there any idea why the name is familiar? Is he in Dixord or something? Maybe. I don't know. Siri says, how many of you Python channel points do I need to not have to deal with old Python 2 code anymore? Well, we don't really write any Python 2 anymore in this chat, so we're good. We're good. I still know a lot of Python 2, unfortunately. But yeah. Yeah, it's a motor. It's a belt. The belt on a motor. I don't know what the. Well, I presume it is. That's what it sounds like. But oh. You make me sit up and read your name. Thiago Campinas, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Sorry if I mispronounced your name. It makes you want to move out in the middle of nowhere, and then you'd have to deal with loud-ass birds. I would much rather deal with birds than construction and car alarms. Oh my god, the fucking car alarm keeps going off. Keeps going off. Hey, what's up, Pylang? Hello, hello. He also has this, which looks like something you'd like, but then also never use. Pokemon Terminal. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. It's forked though, so it's from someone else's thing. I've actually seen this before. Which one of my coworkers? One of my coworkers had the Pikachu one. Which honestly I think is the best one of all of these. Wow, Biofat! That one's pretty good. Ooh. Kyogre's looking kind of good. Ooh, Deoxys is looking kind of good. Anyway. Yeah. Exists has a quick question. What's the upper limit of int in Python? Python has arbitrary precision integers, so they can go forever. Eventually gets slow and runs out of memory. But it will, you know, given enough CPU time and memory, this will just go. I'm gonna not let it do that because I don't really want to run out of RAM. Granted, the box has this is a VM, so it wouldn't gobble my whole box, but it would get that box. Anything help? How do I make app search only package names? Oh, I've run into this before as well. I don't remember though. Is it the lower level one that's better? Regex pattern. Oh. Apt cache package names? Yeah, apt cache package names and then grep. And then grep. This'll get, yeah, this is what you want. That is what you want. Birds greater than humans? Yes. Soul says, I live next to I-94, so I hear everything. Oh no. Every single fucking search query in this thing is useless. Yeah, here you go. This is what you want. Also makes for good white noise. Does that mean something's wrong with you? Maybe. It's GPL yeeted off a cliff. Aww, Pokemon Terminal's GPL'd? Kind of fucking garbage ass. Yeet? Never mind, I'm not using that. Landlord did some work on the roof. We would hear things falling through the walls all day. Oh my god. That sucks. I bought a Magikarp mask for post-vaccination last Monday. Nice. Just bound by RAM, essentially. The upper limit is your memories. Batiska, hello, hello. Good to see you. It's been a while. Hello, or hi, been a long time. How's your new job at Stripe? How do you make time for Pigment's Eye now? Job's alright. It's work. Work is work. I mostly work on Pigment's Eye on stream nowadays. Um, yeah. I still have my Saturday stream. I stream on Mondays for auto update day, and sometimes I stream during the week. Like yesterday, we streamed. Batiska, yesterday we streamed because Precommit CI is on the GitHub Marketplace. So now people can pay for private repository support, which is awesome. But yeah. Oh, not SplitX. Partition. Partition. They're already using SplitX. Root.partition dots. There we go. Yes. Keep allocated integers go burn. Yeah. I'll just Google then, but I'm fucking angry at computers. No, you're good. You're good. You're my best friends. App cache is pretty cool. Very underused. Yeah. DL says, do you think that once Python gets to releasing 4, they'll start on a similar path as Java where they do major releases more often, and then there's intermingled LTS releases? I think if they were to release 4, which, big if, I kind of expect them not to do this for another 10 or so years. I don't really expect them to release Python 4. Partially because just the version number breaks a whole fuck ton of software, including 6. And anything that depends on 6 will just be broken. Because and the maintainer refuses to fix this. Many people have sent a patch to the 6 maintainer like, hey, your code's gonna break if the major version turns to 4. And they're like, no, I'm not gonna fix this. But yeah. At least no Python 4, we are heading nightmare with 2 and 3. So they have stated, well, Guido has stated that no Python release will ever be the magnitude of what the Python 2 to 3 jump was. Like Python will be essentially frozen in the way that it works, and will make slow progress instead of, you know, giant fuckery. Cleaver also said he'd never moved to Python 3, and yet here we are. Yeah. Yeah, they did. Put a bird on it. Put a bird on it. It's the bird shirt. How's it going, Deucebox Zero? I am wearing the bird shirt. Bird shirt day. I need to fill up my water though, so I'm gonna go do that. So I will be right back. Hello, I'm back. Your water. God, this squeaking has never stops. But I'm sure, yeah. Cobram says, did they maintain their own Python 2 fork? Yeah, I remember that. It was pretty fun. Also saw you talking about this on Twitter. Nice, nice. Most Linux distributions ship Python 2 system dependency. Not anymore. Not anymore. Ubuntu has removed it. Fedora has removed it. Those are the only ones that really matter, right? Juice says, Antbunk, DC wants to watch the new Mortal Kombat movie next weekend. Do you want to watch DC watch this movie with me? What? So I just have to sit there and stare at DC while you watch the movie? Is that the deal? Seems a little bit weird. Do you want me to just like stare at DC? DC, how's the movie going? What? Mortal Kombat movie? What is? What does that even mean? Who's DC? One of Juice's friends. Is there an old Mortal Kombat movie too? But anyway, all right. So I was getting water. I reminded. Frozen set should be a frozen set, not a normal set. Watching a movie with DC is like a whole adventure. Yes, I'm well aware. We watched. What did we watch? The Matrix movie. Of course, DC knew all of the lyrics. No, not lyrics. All of the. What's the movie equivalent for the word lyric? All of the lines? Yeah, anyway, I knew all the lines, all the dialogue, everything. But yeah. DL says, heading out for some video games with friends. Have a good rest of the stream. Well, thank you for stopping by. Get off my lawn, says Corpa. Yes. Oh, I missed Ali Coling. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Maybe this should say illegal Windows file name. I can remove this new line. This can probably be inlined or underscored. I don't think having a separate function proves anything here, especially once you remove the added files bit. Oh no. Uh-oh. That's the okay, that's I think that functional name will go away. Because I'll just call main then. Skip if? Why are we skipping things on Windows? Oh. I think once you remove added files as a constraint, you won't need to skip anything. You won't even need to have any disk state either. Oh, actually, hold on. We can replace this whole thing. We can replace this whole thing. I think we can replace this whole thing with a fail hook. Actually, here's the idea. I think we can replace this entire hook with a fail hook without needing to write any code. Let's see if we can make this work. ID check Windows check illegal Windows names. Name check illegal Windows names. Whatever. It's supposed to be check illegal Windows names. Whatever. Language fail files. Where's the... There we go. Beginning of the line or slash followed by con... Oh, we need case insensitive. Case insensitive. Con prin aux null. Com 1 to 9. LPT 1 to 9. And then file or file separator or slash or end of line. Entry legal Windows file names detected. I think this works. Actually, fuck it, we should try it before telling them that this works. Get init wet pre-commit config.yaml repo local hooks indent and then not a valid Python regular expression. Oh no. What did I fuck up here? Oh, I'm missing a parentheses. Okay. Touch foo slash con. Hey. Touch con.txt.foo.bar. Hey. Touch. What else do we have to test? Oh, make their dash p bar con baz. Touch. Let that text. Yeah, seems to work pretty well. Need a... Oh no! Oh, okay. I thought I got rid of it. That has sucked. One parenthesis. Yeah, this is way better than writing all that code. Holy shit. Cool. Seems like a good idea in line with the spirit of the repository. Thumbs up. Cool. Boy. Boy. Oh boy. You young whippersnappers! Was there an old MK movie, for fuck's sake? Well, see, I don't really watch that many movies, so I don't really know. Like, how many movies do I think I can probably name? Oh, my phone's buzzing. Is that the dick sword? It is the dick sword. Yeah, I don't know too many movies. Harry Potter movies? Few MCU movies? My favorite movie is War Games. Matrix. That's about it. Those are the only movies that exist. I don't watch that many movies. Hey, what's up, Shaz? Hello, hello. Good to see you. KZ says, non-probing question. What is the favorite place you've lived? Trying to figure out where/what I want to do. Stay localish for a time, move somewhere different. I've been remote 3 years. Kind of missed the sense of a community at college. Finished in 2016. My favorite place that I lived was definitely in Ann Arbor when I went to school. My least favorite place that I lived was in San Francisco. I was pretty happy with where I live right now until the construction started. And the internet was shitty. And my house is kind of janky. And some other things. So I'm definitely moving. But yeah, I don't know. I also liked this place that I stayed in Berkeley. The place wasn't very nice, but it was like a good balance between not paying too much and being in like a decent neighborhood. Shaz says, just finished the physics test and it was kind of easy and that makes me extremely nervous. Oh no. Oh no. Sola says, not much, watching our MVP site go up around me in flames as we approach deadline. Oh no. Either I did really, really well or I fucked up hard. Too easy is not a good sign you fucked up immensely. Oh no. This is code review. This is what I was asking you about recently and stuff. Yeah, I just did a code review. It's true. That is true. Anthony needs double dashes, yeah. What's the like there's like a Drake meme of like all punctuation and then double dash. Yeah. Yeah. Language fail, I know this language, yeah. It took me 10 minutes to write a bash loop. Don't write bash. Easy. Easy fixed. Hey, what's up, Easy Light? Oh wait, you've been here already. What remembers me of a meme? I'm confused. Hey, what's up, Polymathic Man? How's it going? Reminds me of an old meme? Is that what you're trying to say? There was a sequel to the old MK movie. It was so awful. It was amazing. I see. Anthony fell asleep during a lot of movies. It's true, it's true. I have not finished The Lord of the Rings because I've fallen asleep watching every single one of them. Stuart says, I have to reverse engineer the algorithm Anthony uses to choose which swear words in chat he will say on stream. Are you gonna try and min-max my cursage? Because now that you've said that, now that I know that you're trying to do that, maybe I'll just fuck with you a little bit more. Trying to find a decent place, been saving money, living with family, and working about. Ohio is meta. Yeah, that's for damn sure. My trick, just use shorthand and he'll expand it. Fuck shit. Do you mean for fuck's sake, or do you mean which FFS are you going for there, Corbob? I know, right? He likes to expand DSL. Yes, I do like to expand domain-specific languages, Marsha. Fancy you would say that. What did I get bogged for? What? Come on. What? Shed says, gotta go. Have a great night. Well, thank you for stopping by. It's good to see you. Nanalot says, damn, you have a really good-looking head. Thank you? It's a weird compliment. Damn, you got a good-looking head. Lumsang says, are you attending any of PyCon 2021? No, I don't do remote conferences. I feel like they're not worth it, personally. I'm also not speaking at PyCon 2021. I'll speak at in-person conferences, but well, I guess that's not true because I'm recording a conference talk for something coming up, so yeah, I don't I don't like to participate in virtual conferences. They're not that fun. The whole point of going to conferences for me is to like meet with people that I meet on the internet. If I'm just gonna meet them on the internet, I would just meet them on the internet already, so yeah. Wholesome chat with an H. Yeah. Anthony's head is the crown jewel of our channel positions. Hey baby, is that a head on your shoulders, or are you happy to see me? Color Marku, hello, hello. How you doing? With nose. Hopefully they will notice that they have done the with nose as well. And then I won't have to fix it for them. Okay. On to the next one. JSONet format. Got convinced them to rename their repository. They did. Cool. Ship it. That's gonna make the other. There's another pull request in this repo that's going to conflict. So I'll have to rebase the other person's PR, but that's fine. That's fine. Okay. Now we're down to 7. Let's do the easy one first. Although it's not easy because I have to rebase their PR. Git precommit.ci. No, precommit.com. I've been typing precommit.ci so often that, yeah. Pablito. Alright, Pablito, what do you got for me today? Uh-oh. Oh, I added the wrong remote. It's just easier for me to reclone. Recommit.com. I guess they have also forked we've also forked Precommit hooks. Back to Darklight, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. This is much better. And get leaks. Get brush, the shoe, orders a master. Orders a master. Yes. And then, oh my god, this list is getting long. Get leaks. That sounds popular. Oh damn. It's very popular. Well, that's cool. Web1023, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. With nose vodka, yes. That JSONet format was just some fancy, was face-rolling keyword stuff. Yeah, yeah. Human being has name Anthony Pablito. Is GitLeaks like Truffle Hog? I think so. I think so. Git rebase continue. Git push Pablito head dash f. Yes. I'm just gonna assume their config's fine. I don't have time to. Uno does 3. Thank you for the reset with Prime at 6 months of subtem. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. Hopefully your Friday is going well. Oh. This is so fucking annoying. So this is GitHub's solution to the crypto problem. Is now I have to click this fucking button. Stupid. I push to this branch. It should of course run it if I push to the branch. Ugh. Stupid. Now I gotta wait for this. This is so stupid. Anyway. Please somebody clip that. Wait, what? What noises? What did I do? I don't tad and just start hearing ung. I'm just grumbling. I'm just grumbling about. He's gonna blow. Oh no. Oh no. What did I even do? What did I even do, chat? Okay, that's pretty good. That's a pretty good clip. I approve. Okay, that gets that one out of the way. Wait. It emailed me telling me I need to click. So I now get 2 emails anytime a new contributor opens a pull request. God, what a shitty solution to a problem. Fucking shitty solution. Lazy. Lazy, that's what it is. It's lazy. Alright, so now we get to do a fun thing where we get to bisect a problem in Python. Like in yeah, I agree. Okay, so apparently this is at 3.9 and below. The test fails, but pytest doesn't crash. Yeah, so this is a regression in probably the peg parser, if I had to guess. So let's just narrow it down to minor version, I guess. Virtualenv vn-p python 3.8, and we will do. I should have numbered it. Whatever. Bin pip install pytest and vm 3.9. Web1023 says, "Are you happy with using a VM?" Yeah, that works great. What I'm doing right now works wonderfully. Sure. What could go wrong? Running system updates during a stream. Surely nothing could go wrong. VM bin pytest t.py malformed node or string. So this one crashes pytest? That also worked fine. Oh, I'm a dumbass. Oh, I'm a dumbass. Oh, I did the wrong thing. Redash install? Anyway, I did a dumb thing. I meant to just blow away the pycache directory. Yeah, weird. This does not crash for me. But we're saying maybe it crashes in 3.10? Virtualenv VM 3.10. Wait, is this Python 3.9? Yeah, 3.9. So if we install Alva 7. Alright, that one crashes. Yeah. Okay, so there is a regression in Python. Okay, so if we go into here and we're gonna get to watch bisect today, kids. One of my favorite little tricks. Alright, so what do we need to do in order to reproduce this? We need to have a virtualenv and Python script, user bin and bash -uxo pipe fail clean git clean fx xfd configure or exit 125. Exit with 0 and 127 except 125. Current code cannot be tested. Okay, so if configure fails, we exit 125. Make dash J5. Make dash J25 install. We're actually going to hide this output because we don't care about it. Ninja Nerdbird, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Kira Rays, hello, hello. I don't know what you've said in chat, but sounds good to me. Then we need to do prefix bin python -m vf, and then vf bin pip install pytest, and vf bin pytest /t.py, and t.py will contain this, and our failure mode is we need to grep for internal error. And then we need to negate it. Grep internal error. And then we need to negate this. I mean, we can do it less shittily, I guess. Exit grep and well, I think we just need to negate. Let's try that. So it should fail on the current master. Let's try that, see what it does. Doing well, hope you are too. Yeah, it's going reasonably well. It is going reasonably well. But yeah, this is gonna take a bit to compile. Let's look at something else while it's going. Which is this one. It's weird that this doesn't fail for me in 3.9. Oh, on 3.9 and below. Okay, yeah, so it's definitely a regression in 3.10. Fermi says, what are you trying to do here? So, something broke in Python. And it's causing pytest to crap out. So, I am trying to find what broke in Python so that they can fix it before they release garbage code. So we're currently making sure that my bisect script finds that it's problematic here. Oh no. Uh-oh. Why am I almost on a disk? Okay, we're gonna stop that for a second. We're gonna free up some disk space. Holy shit. Is it Docker images? I do have a lot of Docker images. Docker my this and this and this and this and this and this. I can always bring these back later. I'm not gonna prune all because I actually want these images. Although prune all probably would have been fine. It's also not Docker. It's Podman. Docker images, Docker system prune-f. Yeah, this is a bug in Podman. Because there's no container here. Or there is. Yeah, I guess I should just do Docker system dash us all. Yeah. Wait, why is this image still here? What? Why is this image still here? I'll at least put focal on here so that I have that later. Knowledge! How's it going? Hello, hello. Finding the answer to life. Yeah. This is what you get for using virtualized Ubuntu. Change to disk. Move disk. Yeah. Okay. Hey, what's up, Mean? Hello, hello. Can I set up Docker to use a different disk for all shit? Yes. This is actually Podman though, but yeah, you can do that with both of them. You just set the mounts and everything. I can't remember the whole disk rant. Do you remember the change the Mr. T operating system that was that Uncle Larry? Solacado. I definitely pronounced that wrong. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Alright, let's try this again. Oh, we should make that quiet. Because otherwise it's going to get loud. Dev, no. Yes. Let's try that now. Potemki! Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. What was I doing? Reviewing code. Yes, because that's gonna take forever. Hopefully we don't run out of disk this time. Okay, so this is an attempt to fix Docker in Docker. But it's more like Docker beside Docker. I think there's other ways this could fail. Like with Unicode error. It would be better to use binary. Yeah. Be slightly better to read this as binary. And then do probably underscore prefix this and the above functions since they are private to this module. This should use command output. Which normalizes a bunch of stuff. Cracking! Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Actually, you should use command output B. Specifically. Slow focus, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Now it says, what does baobab? 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 It says command not found, Nellish. That is what it does. Fuck. It should have been Python 3. Damn it. Okay, we try again. Command not found, that's what it says, Nellish. What is baobab? Baobab. Baobab? What? This is apparently a baobab chat. No, fuck off. This is apparently a baobab. A phony baobab. I don't have extras installed. Yeah, I have like very. I have a minimal install. Minimal install. It's the GNOME Graphical Disk Usage Analyzer. GNOME? Do you even GNOME? It's a GNOME disk utility. I mean, I don't really. Is it possible that these have more than 2 colons? I seem to remember binds can have a 3rd segment, which has for read-only, etc. options. This is slightly error-prone. You could have foo bar and foo bar, but not what bar, but something else, and it would do the wrong thing. I think you have to use the special path functions. Out. I believe there's a prefix function somewhere in there. Somewhere in path. Pro Table Flipper. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. You got gnomed! I guess so, Easy Light. Now it says, how would you solve this? I have a user that I want to delete and replace with another user on the system with the same user ID. Oh boy. So you essentially want to rename and move a home directory, right? Flip your table down. I can't lift it. Ugh! I tried Pro Table Flipper, but let me show you. I am not a Pro Table Flipper. This table is a little bit too heavy to flip. It's also got a lot of stuff on it, but it's a hefty boy. Hefty boy. So one does not simply flip that table. One does not simply flip that table. Why is my phone buzzing? My text message. Oh shit! Yo, I just got $5,000 of AWS credits, which is pretty dope. But anyway, that's what the buzz was. I don't know, Knowledge. It sounds like you need to delete and then recreate. That's what I would do. And then make sure you're purging the old home directory and any files owned by the old user ID. Otherwise, they would potentially have access to the previous user's files. Flip your displays? No, I'm good. I'm good. There's nothing, no benefit in that to me. We don't use test classes in this project. Please prefer the context manager, the decorator form is signature mutating and much harder to understand the scope and debug. You'll notice that there is no use of the mock decorator in this project. Also, please use mock.patch.object. Mock.patch is an undesirable side effect of triggering an import, which can easily lead to test pollution and other strange bugs. Kills. These tests are all terrible. Well, they're not all terrible. They're not very good, though. This should be a fixture that gets reused each of the tests. Don't use backslashes. If you inline this, you shouldn't need the type signature. Charlie, thank you for the subscription with Prime. Appreciate your support. Welcome to the stream. Easy Light, just a regular Anthony Day. Phone rings casually for $5,000 of credits. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Popstars? Hello, hello. Only problem is that the UID is the one I'm accessing the system with. Oh. Yeah, I don't know how that's gonna work. I guess you can make a third user and then slingshot through that user. I feel like I need to make a third admin user to rotate manage it all. Yeah, exactly. Also, I wanted to put this in a script for easy redeployment. Oh my god. This sounds like a complicated thing that you need to do. I'm not entirely sure why, though. This mock decorator is garbage. Such what the fuck? What? Why? Why did you use? God damn it! They had the right idea here. Amazing. Anyway, let them stew on that. Okay, did this finish? Wait, is it fixed on master? Right. I have to use the latest pytest because there's another breakage in Python 3.10. I think it's been fixed on master. Luis Cavalcanti, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Oh, I wonder if I could have just used tb equals native. Oh no, but that breaks this other thing. Right. That is what I want. So we gotta do get plus. And we need to get senator. Okay, that should be good. So let us do... We know that 394 is good. And 310 is bad. So we can do get bisect begin, get bisect start, get bisect bad, 3.9.4. No, good. Not bad, good. Get bisect bad head, and then get bisect run ./t.sh. And then it should just computer go brr. Oh, do I have to look up what this is? Cure raise. This better be fine. What? It's not trust no one. Yeah, you're right. Cure raise. Why you gotta do this? We'll give you 5 minutes to think about what you've done. Oh, but now I gotta fix the MOTD. Well, we can just do a database surgery. DB. Delete from... Oh, did Knowledge fix it for me? Knowledge fixed it. Wait. Yeah, Knowledge fixed it? Question mark? Yeah, okay, we're good. Oh, I hate this thing. SQLite doesn't have a proper read line. So if you Control-C 3 times, then it goes away. Anyway, there we go. Oh boy, what was I doing? Popstar said hello. Indeed. Maybe it's all because everything I use is 1000. Maybe I should just give up on this and have a non-1000 UID. Yeah, that might be helpful. Not trust no one, exactly. Fuck network hardware that decides to turn on DHCP when there isn't another DHCP on the network for another 30 seconds. Oh no. Pro Table Flipper says, get bisect. I didn't know about that. Yeah, it's pretty good. I have a video about it, so you can check it out. I'm basically doing the same procedure that I go over in that video, where, you know, I've made a script that tells me whether it's good or bad, and then I mark the good or bad ones. And it's gonna take about 10 full compilations of cpython to find the problem, in theory. But yeah, it's pretty good. Oh, pretty good. Pretty good. Oh man, hiccups. All right, so this next one is just kind of an unfortunate one. I reported. Oh, what can I show of this? Well, how am I gonna do this? Well, we will make a screenshot, and then I will show you the screenshot with things blotted out. Yeah, we'll do that. Let's see. Has that gotten rid of everyone's name? Yeah, I think so. All right. So I sent an email to NoSQL Know-How, who you often see in the chat. This isn't NoSQL Know-How. This is one of their coworkers. That instance refresh seems to always spend 120 seconds in health check wait, even though I had disabled health check wait. Rob Thomas writes, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. But yeah, I basically had like a little reproduction down here. And Chad said, "Hi, Lee. Great to meet you. Cook passed your message along for 3 weeks. Apologize for taking so long to respond." This was my original message was in January. So it's been literal months. But yeah, basically like, well, yeah, it's broken. We know we're probably never gonna fix it, but it's broken. So, no worries. Thanks for following up. Is there any workaround here? Or should I hand roll my own instance refresh? I don't really want to hand roll my own instance refresh. That doesn't sound fun. Because instance refresh is actually kind of nice. I wish it just worked. I wish it just worked. But yeah. But yeah, how's it going, JHECHTF? What do you want me to call you? Jacked? Jacked? Oh, we found our first bad commit. There we go. So we found at least our first bad commit. That's I mean, still 8 steps to go, but yeah, it's going well. How are you doing? How's your new job? New job going to? I wasn't here for some time. Oh, it's a job. You know, work is a work. So it's fine. Seems like 80 Rust. Yeah, it's 80 Rust. So it's not a bug, it's a feature. It's definitely a bug. It's Formic. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. My name. That's pretty funny. Weird. My name is John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. No. And if the internet is using your info, why bother to actually fix shit? Yeah. Indeed. How's it going, Toton Bob? Hello. Welcome to the stream. So, crazy thing is, I think I'm actually through all of my... Oh, we got one more. One more. Okay, so how about this idea? What if there were a separate R script and R language? Or does path lookup not make a lot of sense for R in general? This is about like a weird R local hook that doesn't quite work correctly. I don't know, we'll see what Lawrence says about that. Oh, and then I can... Oh, did I delete this? No, we're good. Oh man, this fucker still owes me $500. The goddamn Lyft lawyer never paid me, that fucking scumbag. Never fucking paid me. But honestly, you can just call me Jason. Alright, I'll call you Jason. Sounds good. It's gonna start going by Paul or something. Like there's some programming couple out there that named their kid Jason just for that reason. Go by Tom. Oh no. Yeah, right? The fucking lawyer never paid me. Scummy guy. I should just, break my NDA because he didn't pay me. No, that's spiteful. Don't be spiteful, Anthony. Spiteful is never a good idea. My name is Phillips Henry Portmouth, aka PHP. Oh no. Oh no. All right, so I guess we're just waiting for this to finish, and yeah, we'll just chat. I guess I could bump this thread because it's been 3 weeks since you looked at me. Talked your hand to the side, said I'm angry. It's been 2 months since this happened. I would rather not involve a collections agency. I'm just gonna send that. That's it. That's all I'm gonna send. I would rather not involve a collections agency. Full stop. Is it Lawyer Steve? No, his name is Greg. But you know it's like a Greg where you're a little bit suspicious because he has 3 G's in his name. He's not just a normal 2G Greg. No, this is Greg with an extra G. Oh fuck! He got laid off! Oh my god! God damn it! Fuck! Well, no wonder I didn't get fucking paid. That's bullshit. God, who do I even talk to? No, I got a mail delivery failure response saying that the address doesn't exist. Fuck. I have to find somebody that still works there to get me my fucking money. It's just goddamn ridiculous. But yeah, anyway. Lawyer Steve. Hello, James S, aka JS. Yeah. I'm just thinking about that song too. Did you start singing Bare Naked Ladies? I did indeed. Or spelled Greg with an A-I-G? Whoa. Yeah, it's G-R-E-G-G. I was gonna guess Kyle. No, it's Greg. Greg with 2 D's. Here says, why did you delete the MOTD? Because, bruh, you did not learn your lesson. Oh, we're gonna give you another. We're gonna give you 10 minutes to think about what you've done this time. Now I gotta fucking edit the database again. Where user equals Kira arrays. So we're gonna see their messages, and then we'll do delete from. Goodbye. You don't get your channel points back either. Wow, that's fucked. Yeah. Let's spun down the scam account then. I actually talked to 2 lawyers, and I was extremely helpful. And I stated my terms, and they agreed to them beforehand. So, yeah, they owe me fucking money. Dicks. I don't really expect any different though. But yeah. Yes, that is exactly what their thing said, Marsha. My MSDN from my old job is still kicking my GitHub every hour on the hour. Oh no. Now you need Lawyer Steve to get money from Greg. Yes, indeed. Indeed. I need me a Lawyer Steve. Oh wow, we're way back here. This is not gonna be the problem. Almost certainly. But we're down to what? 4 more steps? 4 more full compiles? Oh, what else can I work on? It's weird when I get to a spot where I'm like, I don't really have anything to work on. I guess I could work on some Pregame CI stuff. So, my first customer actually found a bug in Pregame CI. Apparently, if you pay for Pregame CI, then delete your account, and then recreate your account, it forgets that you paid. So, we gotta fix that. Also, I think if you purchase and then create your account, it also forgets that you paid. So, yeah. I was the first. So my first not me customer, Marsha. The first not me customer. Mafia accent. Hey, we just gotta go teach them a lesson. They won't forget. It's true. It's true. You'll notice that I instinctively started moving my hand. That was not part of the thing. That was just like, oh, I have to. This accent. This is just how I have to talk. Oh shit. These customers finding bugs. Well, I'm glad they found the bug because I was able to fix it for them. So yeah. What is Brinkman CI? If you do oh, I don't. We won't be in the MOT. If you go to pre-commit.ci, it talks more about it. But it is a CI system based around the pre-commit framework, which is an open source thing that I made. Which is, you know, config file with linters and code formatters and stuff. At versions, it knows how to install them and run them against your files. And pre-commit CI is a CI system that's based around this tool, and it has some nice things in that it will auto-fix your pull requests. How many times have you made a pull request and you're like, ah, damn, that white space, or like, ah, shit, I forgot to double quotes or whatever black does to your pull request. Pre-commit CI will just auto-fix it for you. And it's super speedy, way faster than any other equivalent free CI system. Mostly because it does a lot of very clever caching. And it'll also auto-update your configuration to get you to your latest versions. But I like the text that Kanbiko threw together. Developers spend a fair chunk of time during their development flow on fixing relatively trivial problems in their code. Pre-commit CI both enforces that these issues are discovered, which is opt-in for each developer's workflow via pre-commit, but also fixes the issues automatically, letting developers focus their time on more valuable problems. But yeah, anyway, that's pre-commit CI. First actual human, yeah. Greg also forgot to pay. Yeah, there is a CI. It's some like weird chunk of French islands or something. CI is the Internet Country Code top level domain for the Ivory Coast, right? .ci tld. Ivory Coast, yeah. Which is French, right? Wait, what is this flag? That's not French. Why am I using a French domain registrar? What is this flag? Oh, that's literally their flag. Okay, so they are actually a country. I thought they were a territory. Oh. Wait a second. I thought there was I remember reading that they require a dash in the domain names, but I just registered one without a dash in it. Confused. Anyway. Talons! How you doing? Hello, hello. Good to see you. How's your Friday going? Talons also streams Science and Tech. Often working on school stuff, but yeah, what were we working on today, Talons? How's it going? Charts de Nomage. An independent country. Oh, interesting. That's the Ivory Coast flag. I'm a little bit slow. It's a country top level domain. Why would you not think it's a country? I don't know. I don't know, man. Because I'm not clever. To be fair, they used to be a French colony up into the 60s. Oh, well, I wasn't alive in the 60s, so it was definitely not me. Bylang. Hello, hello. I made it through some tedious math problems involving linear homogeneous recurrence relations. I feel like I knew what that was at some point in time, but I have forgotten since then. 2 revisions left to test. Roughly 1 step. One of these things is not like the other. And not everyone abandoned me. These few brave minions stuck around. Nice, nice. GG. Wait, GG is a CCTLD? It means a good game to 99% of people use. That's true. Oh, we have another raid. Aklong Maria, thank you for the raid. Welcome to second raid. How are you doing? What were you working on today? Tell me about your stream. Bryson BLT, hello, hello. We are currently bisecting cpython to find a bug in Python that was broken at some point. We also need to figure out what's broken about it and then fix it. Apparently it's the TLD for Bailiwick of Guernsey. I don't know what that is. Bryson BLT, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Somehow I don't think it's this commit. What was the other commit that it just tested? I don't think it's this commit either. It's gonna be whatever this last commit is. Sheesh and damn. Eee! Oh no. You could put a babby in front of it and they would be beesh. Or you could put a pre-commit at the end of it and then you could have beep. Oh, you did the wrong one. I wanted to see the beep. I mean, you could also do beesh. Shbee. All right. Anyway, emails. Shbee. But yeah, I'm basically waiting for this to finish, and then beep. There you go. And then I can make a bug report and figure out what was broken here, and hopefully get it fixed before the beta freeze, because we don't want broken beta freeze. Because then pytest will be broken in 3.10, and we would not want that. Very much would not want that. It's like Speeve? Who's Speeve? Okay, we're almost at the last part. It's like Speeve with a lisp? What? What's Speeve? Beef! There's no way this is the first broken commit. There's no way. Oh, did I not delete PyCache directories? Shit. I think I have to do the whole thing again. Oh. I have to do the whole thing again. Damn it. Sucks. I think I need to do that. Is that the environment variable before I kick this off again? Oh, that sucks. That sucks a lot. Python, don't write bytecode. Copy and paste this. Just make sure. Get bisect, star, get bisect, bad, head, get bisect, good, 3.9.0. Get bisect, run, e.sh. Try that now. Magic Kid, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. She believed, but the other words. Oh, but the other letters. Fish! Fish! Yes! Supposed to be picking my little sister from work, but I just want to hear Anthony say fish first. Oh. Man, if only you had a T. Then you could do feet. Oh, I guess you could do rip pepperonis. Wait, Marsha, you didn't even do feet. Are you not gonna do feet? But anyway, this is gonna be kind of boring. I don't really have anything else to do, so I think I'm just gonna let this run and probably call the stream here because it's been a nice 2-hour stream, and I'll be here tomorrow as well. There you go. There's the feet. But yeah, let me do my little spiel, and then we'll send you off to another channel. But my name is Anthony. I upload my previous content to youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode, so you can check out previous streams as well as somewhat daily educational videos. This last one is about super fast Python by using mypyc, so check that one out. It's a pretty good video. I normally stream on Monday evenings and Saturday at noon in Pacific time, but I also stream at some other unannounced times, such as the stream today, and I announce, well, unplanned. I announced those on Twitter and on the Discord, so check those out. But also, I had an announcement yesterday, which I launched my startup, Precommit CI, on GitHub Marketplace, which is pretty cool, so check that out as well. But anyway, follow on Twitter, follow on Twitch, subscribe on YouTube, join the Discord, as we do. But anyway, thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.